If there is one way to my heart, it is a mojito mocktail. So today we're making a strawberry pomegranate mocktail called Like a Virgin from my mocktail book, Mocktail Hour. Let's get to it. Okay, so first, you're gonna take about 5 strawberries. You're gonna add those to your shaker. Giant spoon. So I say in thirds to cut it because that's easier to muddle. It also depends on if you like chunks of strawberry or you like it a little more muddled. Totally up to you. So from there, you're gonna take your muddler. Callie, how do you muddle? Oh, that's funny you should ask. Let me tell you. You're gonna gently press down and rotate. Now this, my friends, is where strength training comes in handy. You definitely wanna get those juices. Press down, rotate. Press down, rotate. And if you don't have a muddler at home, that's okay. Use the back end of a wooden spoon, a spatula. We don't make mocktail making too serious around here, okay? This is so specific, but 12 mint leaves, give or take, okay? Now all you do, 4, oh, they smell amazing. It's about 6, add them in there. Now if you were to muddle, a little trick, clap your hands. And that releases their aromas. Add that, okay? Then you're gonna add agave. The great thing is, all these recipes can be substituted. You don't have agave, you can use honey. If you don't like strawberries, add a different type of fruit. If you don't have the sparkling water that we're gonna use later, add coconut water, add kombucha. The possibilities are endless. 1 lime, juiced. Perfect. We really want to get the aroma out of the mint leaves, but we don't want to crush them. So nice and gentle, push down and rotate. And then the pomegranate juice, 2 tablespoons about. And then we go into muddling. I want you to go nice and gentle. We don't want to break the mint leaves. We just want the aroma to be released, okay? All right. Okay, so now we add our ice. Be sure to save some ice for your actual drink. And then we're gonna shake it. Remember, you just want it to be a little bit frosty on the outside, okay? So about 5 to 15 seconds, depending on how good of a shaker you are. Here we go. See, mocktail making can be fun. Perfect. Okay, now you're gonna pour this entire thing into your cup. Add more ice. You top with strawberry sparkling water, about a cup of it. Give it a nice little stir. Cute little garnish, strawberry, mint sprig. Look at that. She's beautiful. Woo! Strawberry Pomegranate Mojito Mocktail.